Hello, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to MLM today. I'm delighted to have you back. If you haven't subscribed, please do and turn on the notification. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you for always tuning in. And so last time we looked at the business opportunities for beginners in the oil and gas sector. Today we'll be continuing with the same topic, and I'll be giving you 10 tips on how to build a formidable customer base. So let's dig in immediately. Number one is apprenticeship. What is apprenticeship? It is the process of learning. It is the process of learning an art, a job, a trade under an experienced person. So actually it used to be a norm, it used to be cultural in Africa for people to engage in apprenticeship. So we had instructional, practical, and job shadowing practices as ways which we transferred knowledge from one generation to another. And this is very effective because with apprenticeship, you can transfer every kind of knowledge, not just explicit, but even tacit knowledge can be transferred easily. The sad reality is that in the last few years, we've had a political class change the climate into something else where we have a new culture, a culture of blow now, and hammer now, sweeping across the nations, sweeping across young people. And this has made apprenticeship unattractive to the young people. But hey, you need to wake up because there's not much you can do without learning the art behind what you're looking for. So if you stumble into money now, tons of money, without having a knowledge, an understanding, an experience of the principles that govern money, you are certainly going to lose all the money. And it doesn't matter how much money you stumble into. And so that's the main reason why we need to go back to apprenticeship. We need to start looking at it with the attention that it deserves. So coming back to freelancing, the oil and gas marketing, apprenticeship is very important. And why is this important? Because to succeed, you need to equip yourself with important information, with important knowledge about the depot that you're interested in, or about the group of depots in the area that you're interested in. What will this information or knowledge be? You need to at least know their pricing policy. You need to arm yourself with the knowledge of their pricing policy, their payments and batching processes, their loading operations, their bulk buying policies. Do they give discount to bulk buyers? You need to arm yourself with this information. And the easiest way to get this is through apprenticeship. So we need to look at that. You can find someone who's already doing well in marketing in the oil and gas and attach yourself to them. Yeah, you can volunteer to give free services while learning, or you can pay for them to impart the experiences they have into you. Number two is get integrated into depot that you want. The depot of your interest, you get integrated. And I must tell you that there are a lot of people who actually sell for different depots. It is possible. But my advice to you today is start from somewhere. Start with one depot. So go down to that depot that you're looking at or you're interested in. Meet, introduce yourself. If you need to book the appointment depending on how the depot operates. So when you get there, meet or look for the head of marketing or head of sales or their sales rep or sales manager, depending on the nomenclature that they use in the depot, or their depot manager. Meet them and talk with them. Your conversation will be declaring your interest in selling for them, your interest in bringing customers to come and buy from them. They will tell you how it works. They will tell you what you need. They will tell you the do's and the don'ts of their depot. And then you are ready to start. Now that you have integrated yourself into a depot, the next thing you want to do is to make your complimentary card. Your business card needs to come handy because now you have a base, your base is probably XYZ depot. So make your complimentary card that states that you are sales rep or marketing agent, whatever nomenclature that is permitted by the depot. Put it on your card, and then you're ready to hit the ground running. You're ready to hit the streets. So now that you have a base and you have your card and all your sales or marketing paraphernalia, the next thing you need to do now is to go all out into the streets, into the locations. Now, let me give you a secret on how to find a favorable location. So there is what we call landing cost in the oil and gas marketing, in the sense that a depot in location A is selling, say, PMS. PMS is PMS. So location A is selling, say, 10 naira, and location B is selling 10 naira. What makes a depot to choose location A over B is the cost of transporting the product from where they are buying it to where they are, right? So you have catchment areas for each depot location. So what you want to do is look out for the positions or the locations that can favorably or profitably buy from the area that your depot is located. And then you know that this is the area that I need to focus or concentrate on during my marketing. So it doesn't make sense to go marketing someone or a filling station or a buyer who's located in an area where they cannot favorably load from your depot. So landing cost calculation has to be your major determinant when you're looking for area to hit with your marketing. So we assume now that you have the areas that you want to market. So what you need to do now is hit the street. So you come to a filling station, for instance, you start talking with them. What you're looking for is your challenge. Remember when we started out earlier on, a few weeks ago, we said that money flows in the direction of solution, right? So you're looking for their challenges so that you can profile their solution. So every time you find their challenge and you match it with a solution from the depot that you represent, you are going to get this buyer. So if the depot you represent can offer these services, then you need to bring it in front of these people all the time. Another thing that makes people want to buy from you is price. So if the depot you represent gives certain discount for people that buy higher volume, you want to market this to people so that they can accumulate their funding or liaise with other friends to buy in bulk in order to get these discounts. Now, what you have is a scenario where rather than somebody buying one truck, you're able to make them buy 5-6 trucks because they are pursuing this discount. At the end of the day, as far as you're concerned, you have made your sales. Now, but you see that all what I'm talking about in this stage, there are things that the apprenticeship sessions would have equipped you with. That's where you get to understand what these depots do, how they do it, and how you convey this information to the buyers. Number 5, the next thing you want to do is to get their contacts. So there are 2 reasons why you get these contacts. Number 1 is to be able to stay in touch with them, to know when they want to buy, so that you can guide them on how and where to buy. The second reason why you want their contacts is because you need to be sending daily pricing to them. Now, do they buy every day? No. But by sending them updates on pricing with each passing day, you bring yourself in front of them such that every time they think about buying, they think about you. So you're basically engraving yourself in their minds so that when they think about purchase, they think about you. Now, there are interesting things that I would discuss with you on items 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But in the meantime, start thinking about places where you do your apprenticeship. Start thinking about the depots that you affiliate with. And I'll see you in the next video. Check out other videos in this channel. Just hit the button and subscribe.